Okay, let's try something different.
So ngayon guys, try po natin itong 2K25 version 6 na may default na jersey. Okay, so ito try natin to guys. Okay, so pili natin yan. Pili naman tayo ng team. So paglabanin po natin ang Chicago Bulls at ang Oklahoma. Siyempre Oklahoma.
Hello everyone, get ready for NBA action live on 2K Sports. And now we take a brief check at the matchups.
You know, Lonzo Ball at Zach LaVine, Chicago Bulls guys. Nakaangas. Nikola Vucevic. Ito yun na, ito yun. Joke lang pala ni Palong. Bila naman po Oklahoma, syempre napakaangas. Default jersey nila yun, no? Angas, ganda. Chet Holmgren, Jerry Williams, so sa kasi yun Rubens Dort. So start na natin guys. Hindi tayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa.
It'll be the Thunder off the tip.
Hey, pass. Oops. You know, tres. Nice one.
Wow, and he used the pump fake well there, but he couldn't get it off.
Hey,
deflected.
Nice one.
Bounds, Bulls ball. Chicago gets possession.
Gusa buka ng bukol, no? Oops.
Here's Vucevic.
Uy. Nice one. Uy.
He takes it up and lays it in.
And I also can't get over how much energy he expends rebounding the basketball. He goes all out on the board every single night.
So talaga 3 points eh.
That is not enough coverage. Got to do better than that defensively. Basically no coverage. I mean,
3 points, 3 points God, 3 points God. 3 points God. Foul pa. Box out lang, box out. Oops. Oops.
Outside Williams.
Uy.
Vucevic with the bucket.
Mabot pa yan.
That's how to orchestrate for your teammate. Terrific.
Walang lamang guys, kaya natin yun. Oops.
And it's going to be out of bounds.
Sumobra.
Not the kind of pass you want to be making right there. He's lucky it wasn't stolen.
And just over
laban.
here at the start of the game.
Laban para sa ano. Uy.
From deep.
Uy. Oops.
Off on the layup.
You know.
Well, the effort was there, but he just couldn't fight his way through traffic.
Nice one.
And stolen by Williams.
Still, baba.
From downtown.
Da.
That's good.
Grabe naman yung rekta 3 points. Paiba yun ah.
Little over a minute 30 into this first quarter. Let's it go. That's good out of the jump shot.
Grabe naman pa rin sila, dalawa. Sira natin yun.
Inside, here's Vucevic.
Uy!
And the layup's good off the glass.
Polo may polo, pero grabe naman sila ng apat.
So far, fellas. Good start to this game for him.
Yes. Pamoy.
The kick out to Williams. From long range.
Naku naman. Mablay pa rin. Uy.
Finish at the bucket.
Dapa.
Everything going according to the script for them offensively so far.
Shot, high post, and he hits the jump shot.
It is so hard to contain. He just seems to get it done however he has to do it.
Whoops.
And a little over 2.5 minutes gone here in the first. And the Bulls
got the main coach here. OJ Williams. Hey.
Pass to Williams.
Uy.
Right side. Williams. Harden. And it's wide.
No.
It's off the rim.
Most of the time, that shot will go down.
All pa nga.
Defenders have to make sure they tag.
Grabe naman yun, sir.
He's off on the first. And the Thunder making a change here. And he sinks the second.
Wala na, tambak na tayo,
He made it
guys.
a two-possession game. At least.
Pati na natin ang
Oklahoma
kutuhanan.
City trailing. From downtown.
Na,
Rebound by
pinira lang.
Williams.
Pinira lang,
An even
bakit?
3-on-3 break. And it's going to be out of
Uy.
bounds. The Bulls will retain possession.
Grabe naman yun, sir. Yaksa to.
Pass to Carter.
Walang galawan, uy.
For three.
Ako.
They get it back.
Uy.
Tries yet again.
Ah.
And it's good. on the
Grabe
layup.
naman yung pinilit.
Well, they've done a great job.
Habol, habol, habol. Kaya natin to, guys.
Scoring in the paint.
Nasusuko.
Shoots the
3
3.
points.
And that one's
Bam!
They're not going to run that play
3
very often.
points.
But hey, they'll take it.
Ito
Way to notch
sasabihin
that
nyo, ha?
7
Habol
second
kami.
difference shot and game clock.
Habol kami. Box out. Box out.
Shot
Oh.
from 6. And the shot is
Di, okay
good.
lang. 3 lang kayo. Ay, 2 lang kayo. Nandun sa akin ng 3. Uy.
Knocked away.
Nice. Wow.
Releases. No good with the wing jumper.
Ako.
Well, I tell you what, that's too good a look to pass up there, even though it didn't go.
Okay, let's try something different.